everything, the floor, the windows, the windowsills, everything, pretty much. And I'm now gonna start to redecorate. I already have my plants outside. I took out the decoration that I bought last year, so finally it's coming all together. One thing I wanted to mention before, I know my cleaning is, quite amateur, but I do this twice a year. I don't feel like I need to buy specific equipment or anything. It works out fine. It's clean enough for me. Yeah, just thought I'd mention that. And yeah, let's get going. super tired. My back is aching because I'm old and I can't do this shit anymore without my body like complaining, whatever. Yeah, so I did everything I wanted to do today. Of course, the balcony isn't 100% finished. I will probably exchange the white hanging pots, so I don't know how you call them, and get some more of the black ones that are straight instead of like that. Also, I do have to I don't know what's it called, replant, repot, whatever, some of the plants, and obviously I'm growing radishes and I need to put them in different pots fairly soon, so there's still gonna be a lot of things coming. Also, I want to get more decoration, and yeah, let's see. But for now, I'm very happy with the result. It looks a lot better. I'm ready for spring, ready for summer, ready for autumn. And yeah, I can't wait to spend a lot of time on my balcony. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully see you next time or not, whatever. I don't care. Bye.